In this session, let us learn about NumPy sorting arrays. Sorting arrays. Sorting means putting elements in an ordered sequence. Ordered sequence is any sequence that has an order corresponding to elements like numeric or alphabetical, ascending or descending. The NumPy end array object has a function called sort method that will sort a specified array. See the example, sort the array. See, when we execute this code using NumPy sort array, the result returns 0, 1, 2, 3. The method returns a copy of the array, leaving the original array unchanged. You can also sort arrays of string or any other data type. See the example, sort the array alphabetically. See, now here is banana, cherry, apple. Now we are sorting. See that apple, banana, cherry, they are sorted. See here, sort a Boolean array. See, true, false, true. See here, result returns is false, true, true. Sorting a 2D array. If you use the sort method on a 2D array, both arrays will be sorted. See here, we are using 2D arrays. See the result returns 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 5. Okay friends, this is the end of part 14 array sort. In next video, let us learn about another topic, filter array. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.